HTTPS is a protocol for secure communication over a computer network, which is widely used on the internet. It's typically notated by displaying a green lock in the web address bar. Basically, HTTPS is making sure that your traffic is being sent from you to whatever party is requesting it without anyone in the middle reading it or intercepting it. So it's sending it securely to the website you're on. No sensitive information should be typed into a page that is not secured by HTTPS. If there's a page requesting your information, like your phone number, your email, or other things like your credit card or social security number, make sure that it's secured by HTTPS before you type in any of that information. Submitting information to a site without HTTPS is similar to leaving your credit card out in the open on a table, because anyone walking by could note the information and use it for their gain. However, even though a page is secured by HTTPS, it does not automatically mean the page is safe. Sometimes, people make it look like it's HTTPS by putting fake icons in place and displaying on the screen that it's HTTPS. Or even though the information you send gets securely to the recipient, they may not be reputable and could be using it maliciously. Of course, if it's a big name website, it's probably reputable. But when in doubt, search the name of the website in a search engine and review the results that are unaffiliated with the website. Most browsers nowadays have begun to let users know more easily when they are on a non-secure page. Many browsers show a notification in your address bar saying, "This is not secure," or they make you click "Continue" when you're going to a page that's not secure, letting you know that this is not a place where you should be entering in any sort of sensitive or confidential information.